Hi everyone, it's V, and welcome to the entrance of my Quel'dorei styled home. I will be talking a little bit here and there about the process of some things that I did in the video, but I will not be talking the whole video, only when I feel like it's necessary to point some stuff out. But yeah, I hope you like it. It was a bit of a challenge, since there's not a lot of Quel'dorei-like stuff right now. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, and I hope you enjoy the video. I used the small octagon-shaped room. I wanted to maintain a silver and blue look throughout my build, so to hide the orange in the Suramar window that I used for my door, I placed an Orgrimmar mirror to keep that silver look and hide the orange. For the walls, I used the generic style wall with the Silver Moon marble, and then I went ahead and took Silver Moon beams and covered all visible wood that I could. And I wish I could have done this with the Silver Moon pillars, but I personally do not like the look of gold, and also covering the gold and the red was going to be a challenge, and it wouldn't look nice. I tried, I really did, but this was the best solution that I came up with. I wish the beams were round, I really, really do. For my custom pillars, I took the Elegant Elven Barrel and dyed them with the Dark Iron dye and Bone White dye. I really wanted to give the glass look of my door some life, and so I took the Mechagon hanging floodlight and placed it behind the door to give it that look of the moonlight shining through. But I made a mistake, and I did not flip the lamp upside down and then place it into the door. If you don't do this, the wire will actually cut through the ceiling and go up to the second floor. So make sure you rotate it and then place it. So for my windows, I wanted to use the elaborate Suramar window, but I really didn't want that orange glow so much. So if you actually flip it around, you can actually hide that orange glow just a little bit. And then I placed the Suramar window on top, and then I used the Mechagon hanging light again and placed it in there. Once that was in there, I took some Silver Moon platforms, made them really small, and placed them inside the window to hide that orange. When looking at my walls, I thought they needed a little bit more of something added to them, so I took the rectangular elegant table and I dyed them with the dark iron dye again, just like my barrels, and then I placed them so just the trim of the tables were showing to give my wall a nice silver trim. I did the same thing with the archway, but instead of laying them in there flat, I just rotate them at a 90-degree angle, lift them up, and just get it in there to fit so just the trim could show. that is it for this room for right now. I have 2 other rooms that are finished. You can kind of see a sneak peek in this preview. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you want to use any of the ideas in this video, you are more than welcome to. So yeah, happy housing!